The Octagon House, named for its shape and design, was originally built in 1860 for Jeremiah Schellinger and is designated as primary, or key, which is the highest designation for an historic home in the city of Cape May. This unique 3-bedroom/2-bath home still has all the original hardwood floors, woodwork, baseboards and doors throughout, and the clawfoot tub too. Situated across from Cape May Harbor, you'll enjoy a nice harbor breeze on your wraparound porch, or you can take a stroll to any one of the following popular restaurants within minutes: Lobster House, Lucky Bones, Mayerâ's Tavern, or the Saltwater CafÄ, located at South Jersey Marina. In addition to a generous-sized lot and a large storage building for all of your summer gear, there is also an outside shower and off-street parking on a long paved driveway which fits up to 5 cars.